11th Mathematics, Chapter 1, Sets. Let us consider a collection of natural numbers less than 10. The members are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this collection is well defined. Well defined in the sense that we can know definitely what are the members of this collection. For example, if you take the number 13, 13 is not a member of this collection. If you take 100, 100 is also not a member of this collection. But if you take 1, 1 is a member of this collection. So that means the elements of the collections are very well defined. So now let us go in another example. A collection of 3 most dangerous animals in the world. The members of these collections will differ from person to person. Some will say that 3 most dangerous animals in the world are lion, elephant, bear. Some will say they are cobra, crocodile, python, and this list will go on changing from person to person. So therefore this collection is not well defined because the members of the collection will change from person to person. So what is a set? A collection of well-defined objects is known as set. Now let us go beyond this. We'll learn more about sets. So in our case, we have seen that a collection of natural numbers less than 10 is a set, but a collection of 3 most dangerous animals in this world is not a set, because here the collection was not well defined. In the first one, the collection was well defined, so it is a set. Now a set is denoted by capital letters, say A, B, C, D, E, or X, Y, Z. We can denote it by any capital letter. The members of a set are enclosed in curly brackets separated by commas, and the members of a set are distinct and not repeated. So this is very important one. And now, so we write the collection of all natural numbers less than 10 as A equal to. We will first make the uh, curly bracket. In that we will write down the members separated by commas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if X is a member of set A, we write it as X belongs to A. This is the symbol for belongs to, read as X belongs to A. And this is a Greek symbol known as epsilon, EPSILON. And if X is not a member of set A, we write it as X does not belongs to A. For example, here we can see that 3 is a member of this set A, so we write it as 3 belongs to A. But we can see that 10 is not a member of the set, so we write 10 does not belongs to set A. Now there are two different ways of representing a set. First one is tabular form of roster form. In tabular form we write down the elements of the set, or just in other words we can say that we list them. For example, let us take example. So here we have an example: collection of all natural numbers less than 10. So we write down all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and separate them by comma and enclose them in curly bracket. So this is tabular form. Another example is set of all even natural numbers. Say b equal to curly bracket, then enclose the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. So here, if the numbers are if the element members of the set are infinite, we write some of the elements and then put 3 dots. That means the process is going on. So here the 3 dot means the list of even numbers continue indefinitely. Order in which we write the elements of a set is also not important. For example, if there is set, say A equal to having the elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, we can rewrite it as 2, 4, 3, 1, or we can rewrite it as 4, 1, 3, 2. All the 3 are equal. There is no difference between them. So the order in which we write the elements is of no importance. We can write it any way we like. Now let us go in the another form, that is set builder form. In this form we write the property which is common to all the elements of the set. This property is not possessed by any element outside the set. For example, suppose we have a set in, say, tabular form: A equal to 3, 9, 27, 81, and we have to write in set builder form. So how we are going to write it as A equal to X, such that X equal to 3 raised to n, where n is a natural number between from 1 to 4. So if you take n as 1, we'll get 3 raised to 1. If we take n as 2, we'll get 3 square, that is 9. If you take n as 3, we'll get 3 cube, that is 27. And if you take 3 n as 4, we'll get 3 raised to 4, that is 81. And beyond that we cannot go. So the elements will be 3, 9, 27, 81. They are exactly the same as here in the tabular form. So this is known as set builder form. That means we have written the property which is common to all the 4 elements. Okay, let us see another example. Example number 2. Here D equal to having 2 elements -2 and 2, and we have to write this in set builder form. So we can write D as equal to collection of all x such that x belongs to z and x square minus 4 equal to 0. So if you simplify it, this one will get x square equal to 4, and simplifying it, that will get x equal to plus minus 2. So the elements of D will be the same as here in tabular form. So that means we have written the set D in which was initially in tabular form in set builder form. Now there are some notation for special sets, and whenever that notation comes, that is to be considered that particular, we are talking about that particular set. For example, capital N, that denotes the set of all natural numbers. Z, set of all integers. Every time we are not going to write set of integers, in place of that we will write down the capital letter Z. Similarly, Q, Q is the set of all irrational numbers. Then R is the set of all real numbers. Z plus is a set of all positive integers. Q plus is a set of all positive rational numbers. R plus is a set of all positive real numbers. Exercise 1.1, question number 1. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. First part, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So, question number 1, first part, the collection of all the months, all the months of a year beginning with the letter J, beginning with the letter J, with the letter J is January, then another member will be having is June and July, and this collection will not change from person to person. Therefore, we can say that this collection is well defined. Therefore, the collection is well defined. Therefore, the collection is well defined, and therefore we can say that this is a set. Therefore, the collection is a set. Therefore, the collection is a set. Now let us go to the second part. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Here the word most talented is not well defined because this talent will differ from person to person. Therefore, we can say that the collection of 10 most talented writers of India is not a set. So that is what we have to write. Since the word most talented, since the word most talented is not well defined, most talented writer, most talented writer is not well defined, is not well defined because it will change from person to person, because it will change from person to person, because it will change from person to person, person to person. Therefore, we can say that the collection of most talented writers of India is not a set. Therefore, the collection of 10 most talented, 10 most talented writers, 10 most talented writers of India is not a set. Now let us go in the third part. The third part, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Here also the word best cricket batsman is not well defined. So it is also not a set. Fourth part, the collection of all boys in your class. This is well defined because the list of boys will be same for everyone. It will not change. So this is well defined, and so it is a set. Then fifth part, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. We know what are the natural numbers less than 100, 1, 2, 3, so on till 19, and this list will not change for anyone. It will remain same for everyone. Therefore, the collection is very well defined, and therefore we say that this collection will be a set. So the fifth one, that is the collection of all natural numbers less than 100, is a set. Then sixth part, a collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. Here also is very much well defined, because Munshi Premchand has already written the novels, and the number of novels cannot change. So that means the collection of novels written by Munshi Premchand are well defined. It cannot be changed. It is fixed. So this collection is well defined. Therefore, it is a set. Question number 1, seventh part. The collection of all even integers. We know that even integers are those integers which are divisible by 2, and anyone can identify whether a given integer will be a member of the collection or not. Therefore, this collection is well defined, and therefore it is a set. Now, let us go in the next one, that is here the eighth one, the collection of questions in this chapter. So these are so well defined, therefore it will be a set, because the number of questions in this chapter are fixed and they cannot change, and also we cannot do any alteration in that. So this collection is well defined, and therefore it will be a set. The ninth part, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Now this word most dangerous animals is not well defined, because dangerous animals will change from person to person. Suppose someone is in a place where there are no lions or elephants, then for them lion and elephant will not be the most dangerous animal, and only suppose there are only crocodiles and snakes and all that, so they will be the most dangerous animals for them. And for a person living in a different locality where these animals do not exist, so they will not be dangerous for them. So this list will change from person to person, and therefore this collection is not well defined. Therefore we can say that the collection of most dangerous animals of the world is not a set. Now let us go in question number 2. So here, let A equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. This is already we have discussed, this is epsilon, or this stands for belongs to, and this stands for does not belongs to. So this is a Greek letter epsilon. So here 5 is a member of the set A. So we'll write 5 belongs to A. Then next one, 8 is not a member of the set A. So we'll write 8, then we'll cancel 8 belongs to A, then we'll cancel. This stands for 8 does not belongs to A. Then 0 is also not a member of the set A. So we'll write 0 does not belongs to A. Then here 4 belongs to A. Then 2 is also a member of the set A. So 2 belongs to A. Then 10 is not a member of the set A. So 10 does not belongs to set A. Now question number 3. Write the following sets in roster form. Roster form means we have to list the elements of the set. So first one, A equal to collection of all x's that x is integer, and that integer such that it lies between -3 and 7, including the integer -3, because here we are having -3 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than 7. So question number 3 now, first part. So that will be A equal to, so first we'll take because the least number will be -3. Then we can take -3, because here the equation is -3. This stands for less than or equal to. Means x should be greater than -3, or it can be even equal to -3. So -3, then minus, we'll not write -4, because -4 will be not in this group, because the number has to be greater than -3 or equal to -3. So then next, and it cannot go, the number cannot go beyond -3. -3, -2, then we have -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it cannot be 7. Now, so this is our set A. Now set B, second part. B equal to collection of all x's that x is natural number and less than 6. So we know what are natural numbers, and the smallest natural number is 1. So we'll write B as B equal to collection of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our B. Now next, third part. So third part, x such that x is a two-digit natural number, uh, such that the sum of its digit is 8. So the sum of the digits should be 8 and it should be two-digit number. So third one, C equal to, so the smallest one we satisfy this will be, because the sum has to be 8 and it should be two-digit number, so that will be 17, 1, 7. Then next you can increase this by 1 and decrease this by 1, so 26. Then 35, just increase this by one number and decrease this by 1, so 44. Then we have 53. Then we'll have 62 and we'll have 71. Then we have 80, 80. Now let us go in the fourth part. D equal to collection of all x, so that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Fourth part, D equal to collection of all x, so that x is a prime number. First of all, we'll factorize 60. Prime factor of 60 is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 5, 60. Now in this, the only prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. So D will be equal to 2, 3, 5. Now let us go in part 5, fifth part, the set of all the letters in the word trigonometry. So in this we'll first write, here we are having E equal to trigonometry. The first letter is T, then we'll write R, then we'll write I, then G, then O, then N, then O is already we have written, so we'll not rewrite it. Then we'll write M, then we are having E. Then after E we'll not write this T because T is already there, also R is there, then we'll write Y. So the letters are T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. Now let us go for the sixth part. Sixth part, F equal to the set of all the letters in the word better. So the letters are B, E, double T, E, R. So first we'll write B, then E, then T is coming two times, but already we know that in a set the elements are not to be repeated. So we'll write T and this E is already there. So the last letter will be R. So the set will be B, E, T, R. Question number 4, we'll do first part. Question number 4, first part. This set is given to us. Write the following set in the set builder form: 3, 6, 9, 12. So correction will be here. This will be curly bracket. 3, 6, 9, 12. So we can write. We have to write in this in such a way that there is a property which is common to all the four elements. In that we have to write it by expressing the elements in form of a property. So let A equal to, suppose A is the set 3, 6, 9, 12, and you can see that 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 4 is 12. So we can write in that form. So A equal to collection of all x such that x belongs to n, and x equal to 3n, and where 1 is less than or equal to n and n is less than or equal to 4. So n will move from 1 to 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum value of n will be 4. So when n will be 4, value of x will be 12. When n equal to 3, we'll get 9. When n equal to 2, we'll get 6. And when n equal to 1, we'll get 3. So this is how we'll write the set builder form of question number 4, first part. Similarly, we have the second part now. Second part, suppose the set, let the set be B. B equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And by observation, it is clear to us the second number is a square of 2, third one is a cube of 2, fourth one is a fourth power of 2, and fifth one is fifth power of 2. So we can rewrite B in set builder form as B equal to collection of all x such that x belongs to Z, and x equal to 2 raised to n, 2 raised to n, where 1 is less than or equal to n, n is less than or equal to 5. So maximum value of n can be 5. and minimum value of n is 1. So when n equal to 1, we'll get 2 raised to 1, that is 2. When n equal to 2, we'll get 2 square, that is 4. When n equal to 3, we'll get 2 cube, that is 8. N equal to 4, 2 raised to 4, that is 16. And when n equal to 5, 2 raised to 5, that is 32. Now, same way, you all can try this third part also. Third part, and this fourth part is very simple. Just if you see it, is 2, 4, 6. So 4 means twice of 2. 6 means 2 into 3. So just fourth part also you'll do on your own, right? And fifth part also. Now let us go in the question number 5. List all the elements of the following. So here set builder form is given to us, and we have to write this in tabular form or in roster form. So question number 5. Question number 5, first part. A equal to collection of all x such that x is an odd natural number. It should be odd natural number. We know what are natural numbers. So first natural number is 1. Then we have 3, then 5, and it is not possible for us to write all the elements. So what we'll do is put 3 dots and then close the bracket, curly bracket. Then second part, b equal to x such that x is an integer and x has to be greater than minus half and less than 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is 4.5, so that means it should be less than 4.5, and it has to be greater than minus half, that is minus 0.5. So the minimum value of b will be 0. So b equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So b cannot go, this elements of b cannot go beyond 4 because x has to be less than 9 by 2, that is 4.5. Then third part, c equal to x such that x is an integer and x square is less than or equal to 4. So if you simplify it, we know that the square of 0 is 0 square, square of 1 is 1 square, square of 2 is 4, and similarly the negative also, square of minus 1 will be 1 and square of minus 2 will be 4, and if you take minus 3, then square of that will be 9, so that will not be part of this set C. So C members of the set C will be minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 2. We can write in any order. If you want, you can write minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So other integers other than this will not come, because if you take their square, they will be more than 4, because here x square should be either equal to 4 or less than equal to 4. X square should be either less than 4 or equal to 4. This stands for less than or equal to. Now fourth part, d equal to x such that x is letter in the word loyal. So d equal to, we will write the letters L, O, Y, A. We will not write L again because already we have written that. Then we have this one, fifth part, E equal to x such that x is the month of a year not having 31 days. That means it should be having number of days less than 31, because more than 31 is not possible. So the months will be February, because it has 28 or 29 days. Then April, 30 days. Then same way we can write June. Then we have September, and we have November. So these are the months. So that will form the set E. Now this sixth part you will try on your own. So a simple one, self trial. X such that x is consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Now question number sixth one. Match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in set builder form. So this side we are having tabular form, and this side we are having set builder form. You have to just match the set with the tabular form with the set builder form. So 1, 2, 3, 6. First one, if you write x such that x is prime number and a divisor of 6. So what are the divisors of 6? It should be a prime number also. So prime number means 2, 3, and only two elements will be there, because it should be prime number and divisor of 6. We cannot take 6 and we cannot take 1. So second one will match with A. So this is the answer for this one. Then let us go for this other one. X such that X is an odd natural number less than 10. So odd natural number less than 10, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So obviously fourth will match with B. Then third one, mathematics. X is the letter in the word mathematics. So M will be there, A, T, H is there, E is there, I is there, C is there, S is there. So all the letters of mathematics are here and not even a single letter is missing. So that means these two sets are equal sets. So now C part, X such that X is a natural number and divisor of 6. So in this it has to be divisor of 6 and a natural number. So in this we can take prime as well as non-prime. So 1 will divide 6, 2 will also divide 6, 3 will also divide 6 and 6 will divide 6. So first will match with C. So this is how we have completed exercise 1.1 and you all go through the solution again. They are very simple one. You will not find any difficulty.